The coronavirus is currently affecting the lives of the people around the globe. Here in the Philippines, all travel by air, land, and sea is suspended for a month to prevent people from exposing themselves to the possible threat. You could be at your house right now, couldn't go out, or couldn't enjoy the summer break because of the community quarantine implemented by the government. Your hands might be tired from toplok to your cell phone, and you already explored the whole corner of your house. And now you're done all that, you're like, nah, don't worry, I got you. Friends of the internet, I am not here to talk about the ways how to prevent the coronavirus from spreading. I am here to make an art tutorial. Yes, you heard it right. An art tutorial, but with a twist. I will speak English only. Oh my god. Let's get started. Today I am going to talk about lines briefly and how can it contribute in creating a good drawing. Line has different length and thickness. You can create different shapes, forms, and illusions through it. Play around with your illustration. You can combine thin and thick lines to make your art more appealing. You can also draw broken lines to add into your style. A line can also help you indicate where to put your shadows and highlights depending on the light source in your drawing. So we have two round objects with different light source. As an example, our first light source is on top of the object while the other one is on the upper right of the object. So the part that has a thin line is your highlight and the part that has a thicker line is your shadow. I prefer the second imaginary light source because it is easier to determine where to put your shadows and highlights when it comes to shading or coloring your artwork. But with the illustration, it really depends on what style you wanted to achieve, so I recommend either of it. Here's the sketch I made earlier, and let's apply what we've learned today about lines. I didn't really apply the imaginary light source in this illustration because I just wanted you guys to remember the ways on how you can improve your line art. But if you plan to make a full color illustration, then feel free to apply the imaginary light source that I taught earlier. It may help you determine where to put your highlights and your shadows easier. I hope you learned something in my very first tutorial. Understanding the importance of line can definitely bring your art career into the next level. Just don't forget to make it clean to make your art appealing not only to your viewers but your future clients. Once again, this is Robin saying, wash your hands, wear a mask, and be well. Kita-kits on my next video. But before you go, leave a like if you're already subscribed. Share this video to your friends. They probably need to see this tutorial. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. That's it, guys. Enjoy the rest of the time lapse. See you on my next video. Bye!